Hello students, welcome back to my second lecture on basic maths. In our first lecture, we have started with first lesson, that is matrices and determinants. In that, we learnt the meaning of matrices, order of matrices and types of matrices. Today, in this second lecture, we will see algebra of matrices. In that, scalar multiplication, addition of matrices, transpose of matrix, symmetric and skew symmetric matrices, we will see one by one. First one, scalar multiplication. If A is any matrix and K is any scalar, then K into A is a matrix obtained by multiplying every element of A by K. That is, if A is a square matrix with 2 rows and 2 columns, then K into A is obtained by multiplying every element of A by the term K. That is equals to K into A, K into B, K into C, K into D. For example, if A is given, that is equals to 1 minus 2, 3 and 4, then find 2 into A and minus 5 into A. That is, matrix A has to be multiplied once by the scalar term 2 and another time with minus 5. So, we will see matrix A is multiplied by the scalar term 2, we get 2 ones are 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Similarly, matrix A is multiplied by minus 5, we get minus 5 into 1, minus 5, minus 5 into minus 2, that is equals to plus 10, minus 5 into 3, minus 15, minus 5 into 4, that is equals to minus 20. Now second one, addition of matrices. Two matrices can be added or subtracted only if their orders are same. For example, here matrix A is given and B is given with same orders. Then we can add A and B, and we also can subtract A minus B. Let's find the value of A plus B. So, the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B have to be added for the resulting answer. The corresponding element of 1 is 1, 1 is 3, that is 1 plus 3, and second element, the corresponding element of 2 is minus 4, the corresponding element of 4 is with minus 1, 4 minus 1. Similarly, for second row to second row, that is minus 1 plus of 1, 3 plus of 5, minus 2 plus of minus 2, which is equals to, simplify this matrix, we get 1 plus 3 is equals to 4, 2 minus 4 is equals to minus 2, 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Second row, minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0, 3 plus 5 is equals to 8, minus 2 is equals to minus 4. This is the answer for the addition of two matrices A plus B. Similarly, we will do for subtraction A minus B, that is equals to matrix A minus matrix B. The corresponding element have to be subtracted. 1 minus 3, the corresponding element of 1 is minus 3 here, and the corresponding element of 2 is minus 4, that is 2 minus of minus 4, and the corresponding element of 4 is minus 1, 4 minus of minus 1, minus 1, second row, minus 1 minus of 1, 3 minus of 5, minus 2 minus of minus 2. So this is the subtraction of matrix A and B, and the simplification form is that is equals to 1 minus 3 is equals to minus 2. 2 minus of minus 4 is plus 4, that is 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. 4 plus 1 becomes 5. Minus 1 is equals to minus 2. 3 minus 5 is equals to minus 2. Minus 2 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, that becomes minus 2 plus 2 is equals to 0. The third one, transpose of a matrix. If A is any matrix, then the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of A is called the transpose of A, and it is written as A dash or A raised to T. For example, if A is given with 3 rows and 2 columns, find 5 into A dash. So here the rows are converted into columns. So A dash is equals to minus 1 minus 1, first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column, third row becomes third column. Now multiply A dash by the scalar term, that is by 5, that is equals to 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 1 5 in the first row. Similarly, in the second row we get 5 into minus 1 minus 5, 5 into 0 0, 5 into minus 3, that is minus 15. Now we see the fourth part, that is symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. A square matrix A is called a symmetric matrix if A dash is equals to A, and it is called skew symmetric matrix if A dash is equals to minus of A. Students, here in symmetric matrix, the transpose of A is not going to change with the matrix A. That means when you will interchange the matrix A, it becomes A dash. So the elements of the matrix are not going to change. It remains same. See the example. Here in the matrix 1 5 5 4, after interchanging this, we will get the same term again. The first row, first column will be same. Check the matrix. Similarly, in the second example, 1 3 5 3 4 6 5 6 7, after interchanging we are going to get the same matrix. Hence, it is a symmetric matrix. Similarly, for skew symmetric matrix, A dash, after interchanging the matrix A, we are going to get negation of A, that is 0 3 minus 3 0, and 0 2 3 and minus 2 0 4, minus 3 minus 4 0 are skew symmetric matrices. Now we will see some more examples on these types. So first example, if A is equals to 1 minus 1 2 0 1 minus 3 and B is equals to minus 2 4 3 2 1 0, find 2A plus 3B. Solution. Multiply matrix A by 2 and multiply matrix B by 3 and add their corresponding terms to get the sum. That is, keep matrix A as it is, multiply by 2. Similarly, matrix B by 3, we get 2 ones are 2 in the second step. 2 ones are 2, 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 zeros are 0. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are minus 6. There is a minus 3. So 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Plus multiply matrix B by 3, we get 3 2s are minus 6. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 3 zeros are 0. Now add the corresponding element of these two resulting matrices, that is 2 plus of minus 6, minus 2 plus of 12, 4 plus 9, 0 plus 6, 2 plus 3, minus 6 plus 0. That equates to 2 minus 6 is minus 4, minus 2 plus 12 is plus 10, 4 plus 9 is 13, 0 plus 6 is 6, 2 plus 3 is 5, and minus 6 plus 0 is minus 6. So this is the answer for 2a plus 3b. I hope students you understood this. Now can you try it yourself? Now we will see the third sum, that is if a is given, that is equals to 4 0 0 first row, 0 4 0 second row, 0 0 4 in the third row. So find a minus a dash. Solution for this. Which type of matrix is it, students? Is this a diagonal matrix? Yes. So after interchanging a dash, we get the same matrix again. The diagonal will remain as it is. So after subtraction, we get null matrix. 4 minus 4 is 0 in all the cases. So it becomes 0. The answer is a null matrix. Understood? Okay, we will move towards the next example. Solve for x and y, where x of 2 1 plus y of 3 5 plus 4 6 is equated to 12 17. Here all are with the column matrix. Now multiply in the first step, multiply x by the first column matrix. It becomes 2 into x and x, plus multiply second column matrix with y, we get 3 into y, 5 into y, plus 4 6, which is equals to 12 17. Now according to this question, see there is a plus in between all the matrices and it is equated to the third matrix. Now after this step, we have to add the corresponding element of the matrices. It becomes 2x plus 3y plus 4 equated to 12. Similarly, for second row, equate the corresponding elements, x plus 5y plus 6, which is equal to 17. So first row becomes, simplify this, that it becomes 2x plus 3y, which is equals to transpose 4 to right side to simplify. It becomes 8. Similarly, x second equation, x plus 5y transpose 6 to the right side, it becomes 17 minus 6. So that is equal to x plus 5y, which is equals to 11. So these are the two equations we will get after simplification, after equating the matrix. Now solving equations 1 and 2, multiply equation 2 by 2 and subtract second equation from first equation. We get, keep the first equation as it is, 2x plus 3y is equals to 8, and second equation becomes 2x plus 10y is equals to 22. We have multiplied second equation by 2 so that 2x and 2x have to be cancelled, we get the value of y easily. So now 2x will get cancelled, and 3 plus of minus 10 becomes minus 7y, which is equals to 8 minus 22 is minus 14. Then 7y is equated to minus 14. So here shift minus 7 to the right side and divide it by minus 14. So we get 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. We get the value of y is equals to 2. Put y is equals to 2 in either second equation or first equation to find the value of x. So here I put the value of y in 1, that is 2x plus 3y is equals to 8. Here 3 into y, value of y is 2, that is 3 2s are 6. 6 is transferred to the right side for simplification. So it becomes 2x is equals to 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. So the value of 2x becomes 2. Then x becomes 1. The value of x here is 1 and the value of y here is 2. Similarly, I hope you will try this to yourself. Find x and y given that x plus y 3 minus 1 x minus 4 is equated to 4, 3, minus 1 and 8. I hope you will try this, students. We will do the next sum, that is sixth one. Find x such that 3x 4 7 is symmetric. The condition here is a symmetric matrix. So for this we know that A dash, that means transpose of A, is equal to A. So transpose matrix A, we get 3x, first row becomes first column, that is 3x, first row converted into first column, second row second column, that is equated to the matrix A. Now by equating the corresponding terms, we get the value of x is equals to 4. Now the next important concept, that is matrix multiplication. If A is a matrix of order m into p and B is a matrix of order p into n, then the product AB is defined and its order is m into n. The product AB exists only when the number of columns of A is equal to the number of rows of B. I am repeating, students, here that the product AB exists only when the number of columns of A is equal to the number of rows of B. Considering A, matrix A is equals to, it has 2 rows and 3 columns. Similarly, for matrix B, it has 3 rows and 2 columns. So the product becomes, see here, students, first row should be equal to, first row of matrix A is equal to first column of matrix B. Here first row has 3 elements and second matrix first column contains 3 elements, that is A11, A12, A13. 3 elements of matrix A should be equal to 3 elements of matrix B, first column. It should be equal to each other. The different elements have to be multiplied. So that is equals to, so multiply first row with first column to get first element, and first row with second column you will get second element. Similarly, go to second row into first column, third element. So last one, second row into second column, that is your last element. So that is equals to, see here, A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21. Third element A13, A31. Different elements of row has to be multiplied with different elements of column of matrix B. Similarly, second element, that is first row with second column, is equals to A11 B12 A12 B22 plus A13 into B32. We will get two elements when you will multiply first row with the remaining two columns. Similarly, second row with first column becomes A21, that is into B11 plus A22 into B21 plus A23 into B31. It is your third element, second row with first column. Similarly, second row with second column becomes A21 into B12, A22 into B22 plus A23 into B32. You practice by writing it 2-3 times. We will see with the examples. First example, if A is equals to 4 minus 3, a column matrix which has an order 2 rows and 1 column, and matrix B is given, that is equals to 3, 1, 5. It is a row matrix with 1 row and 3 columns. Find the product A, B. Solution. AB is equals to, write matrix A into matrix B. Here multiply first row with first column, that is your first element. First row with second column, second element. First row with third column, it becomes third element in the first row only respectively. Similarly, for second row with first column, second row into second term, second column, second row with third column respectively. It becomes 4 into 3, 12, 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 5, 20 is your first row answer. For second row, minus 3 into 3, 9, minus 9, minus 3 into 1, minus 3, minus 3 into 5, minus 15. This is a required answer of product A and B. Now we will see example 2. If A is equals to 3 minus 2, 5, here it is a row matrix of order 1 row into 3 columns. Find A into A dash and A dash into A. Solution. Find the transpose of A first. So here row becomes column, then multiply. That is equals to A into A dash is equals to, write down matrix A as it is, that is 3 minus 2, 5, and transpose of A row matrix becomes column matrix, 3 minus 2, 5. So first row with first column, here it has only 1 row and 1 column, so we will get only one element at the end, that is 3 into 3, that is 9, plus minus 2 into minus of 2, it becomes plus 4, 5 into 5, 25. So add them all, you will get 38 is your A into A dash answer. Now second part of the same question, A dash into A. Transpose of A dash A is 3 minus 2 5 in the column matrix, and write A as it is, which is equals to, here order will be different. First row, first column is your first element, that is 3 into 3 9. First row, second column is your second element of the first row, that is 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, and third element is 3 into 5, that is 15. Similarly, for second row with the first column, second column, third column respectively, you get minus 2 into 3 minus 6, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, minus 2 into 5 minus 10. Similarly, third row with first column, second column, third column respectively. 5 3s are 15. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. 5 into 5 is 25. Understood, students? Now the last example of this lecture 2. Example number 3. If A is equals to 3 2 4 1 of order 2 rows and 2 columns, prove that A square minus 4A minus 5I is equals to 0, where I is unit matrix and 0 is the null matrix of order 2 rows and 2 columns. Solution. First, students, find A square. Multiply A 2 times. Write them. A into A, matrix A into matrix A. It becomes first row, first column is your first element. First row with second column is your second element. Second row, first column is your third element. Second row, second column is your fourth element. That is 3 into 3 is 9, 2 into 4 is 8, 3 into 2 is 6, 2 into 1 is 1. First row with first column, first row with the second column are your first 2 elements of the resulting matrix. Similarly, second row with the first column is 4 into 3 is 12 plus 1 into 4 is 4. The last element becomes 4 into 2 is 8 plus 1 into 1 is 1, and that is equals to, add the terms, you get 17, 8, 16 and 9. Now take LHS, that is A square minus 4A minus 5I is equals to, the answer of A square is given, write them, minus 4 into matrix A minus 5 into the unit matrix of order 2 rows 2 columns is 1001. So that is equals to, write A square as it is, minus multiply matrix A by 4, you get 4 into 3 is 12, 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 4 is 16, 4 into 1 is 4. Similarly, last one, 5 into unit matrix multiplied by 5, that is 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 0 is 0, 5 into 0 is 0, 5 into 1 is 5. Now simplify in the third step, that is corresponding element have to be simplified. There is a minus in between the matrix, that becomes 17 minus 12 minus 5, 8 minus 8 minus 0, 16 minus 16 minus 0, 9 minus 4 minus 5. Corresponding element have to be simplified. We get 0, 0, 0 and 0. All the element after simplification we get it as a zero matrix, that is the required RHS. So today in this session we have learnt about the algebra of matrix and multiplication of matrices. Students, you just practice, do the sums. If you have any difficulty, you can message me. Thank you.